This is a pinch pleat. Designers have been putting these in custom homes for years, and it's been super hard to get this look that's affordable, that doesn't cost you thousands of dollars, but finally there's a curtain that gives you this look at the right price point. I am so excited. Now I'm gonna talk in this video about where to get it, what to do when you get it, and I'm also gonna do a comparison between Pottery Barn and this pinch pleat curtain because it is still an investment in your home. These curtains will cost you about $250 a window. The Pottery Barn ones are at price point of $300, so you'll save $50 if you go with this curtain over the Pottery Barn curtain. So I really want to do an in-depth review because it's a pain if you have to ship this back. It's heavy, they're hard to fold. So let's make sure we get it right before you bring it into your home. Okay, so the curtain that's taking the internet by storm is the Liz curtain from the company Two Pages. Now, Arvin Olano, go check out his channel. I linked it below. He's the one that found these curtains and now they're popping up all over the internet. I do encourage you to go to Two Pages and order these directly from the website because they can make them to the exact size you need versus ordering them on Amazon where you're sort of fudging the length and you might end up too short, which is the worst thing you can do for curtains. So now when you get your curtains, what I want you to do is I really want you to look over every single inch of the curtains. One of them had a stain on them. They washed it out, but I could still kind of see it. So really make sure that you're looking over it in depth. And then one of them had a pull in it. So really make sure that you're going over every inch of the curtain before hanging it because once you hang them, they're kind of up there forever. So really do your upfront work to make sure that they're perfect. Now, the second thing I want you to do when you get your curtains is that, see, these are the pinch pleats, and it's really important that so you're going for a tailored look, that they are really straight. See how this one has a little wonkiness to it? You wanna make sure that you're taking an iron and training that back to be very straight and very tailored, because that's the point of the curtain. The third thing I want you to do is I want you to steam them out and really make sure that they're hanging perfect. You need to push the center in and then match up the pleats to give you that custom look. These are the small details that make such a difference. So now we're gonna move into a side-by-side comparison of the Pottery Barn curtain to the Two Pages. Now I will say that I like the Pottery Barn's material better. It just feels better. It's actually linen, so the feel of it is so much better. Now the Two Pages, it kind of feels like a bad tablecloth or a bad prom dress. But I don't think that's a negative not to order them. It's not like you wear your curtains out. You only touch your curtains every now and then. So the fact that they're not the most highest end material, for me, wouldn't be a deal breaker. Now the next I wanna go over a side-by-side comparison is the top. Now with the pinch pleat, you're really looking for a tailored top, and Two Pages delivers on that look, where Pottery Barn is a little messier. It's a little more casual. The pleats are not as structured, so therefore you're not getting that custom high-end look. You're more getting that sort of like casual vibes. So the last thing I want to compare is like how they're made and how they filter in light. Now the Two Pages just has a simple hem. When the light comes through, you're gonna see a line. I don't think it would bother me at all, but I do like that the Pottery Barn one has a lining to it that's stitched in, and then you really don't see this edge really that much. Not a deal breaker at all, but I really wanted to show you the side by side because the little details add up to make sure your home looks extremely custom. So I hope you find this helpful. Go on there, get your gorgeous curtain, get that high-end look that all the custom homes have. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.